ouvrir bagay ça qu'a fait. Je dis à mon chance pour me chita pour me parler avec moun qui en charge software pour m'utiliser tout le temps, qui c'est ECAMM. Je vais parler avec Katie qui c'est ECAMM marketing manager. Katie, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Of course.
This is my platform over about. Yeah, I always told them about the software we're using. So guys, I'm talking with Katie right here. Katie is technically the heartbeat of ECAMM. So Katie, you gotta tell them hello and tell them what can your software do for them.
Oh my goodness. Well, hello. It's such a pleasure to meet you all. I hope that you will watch this video and then you'll come hang out with us in the ECAMM fam community so we can get to know you better. ECAMM is a software that allows you to create anything in the world of video. So recording videos, live streaming, multi-streaming, just being able to add graphics, roll video clips, and you can send even all of that through to Zoom or Teams or Meet, anything you want to do with video, from podcasting to social video clips to just being able to connect with people in a Facebook group or on YouTube. So if video's been on your list, ECAMM should be at the top of the list.
Exactly. And for those of you who always ask, I do have multiple ECAMM video on the Over About Your channel, and they are in Creole. So that would be good for you to try whenever you're ready. Katie, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Bye.
Bye, guys.